Hey guys, today we are going to be learning about the quadratic formula and using the quadratic formula to find the zeros of a function. Okay, so the way we do that is first off, to find the zeros in a function are where it crosses the y-axis. Okay, so or actually where it crosses the x-axis, which is where y is 0. So it's x squared minus 7x plus 12, okay, equals 0. Does that make sense? So all I did was bring this down and set it equal to 0. And now I need to find what the zeros are, or find where x is equal to 0. And the way I do that, there is a formula called the quadratic formula. And that is x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4a times c all over 2 times a. Got that? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to slide this over a little bit so I can do my calculations over here. Alright, so first I need to know what is A, what is B, and what is C. Well, if you remember, standard form is where it's a x squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so a, you'll see there's no number in front of the x squared, so a is 1. Okay, b has a minus 7 in front of the x, so that will be negative 7, and c is positive 12. So now we're going to plug those values in here. And I'm going to do that up here. So we'll do negative. So x equals negative 7 plus or minus the square root of b squared. So negative 7 squared minus 4 times a times c. All right, all over 2a, which is 2 times 1. So I have x equals, and then we'll do negative. So negative 7, it's positive 7, plus or minus the square root of, well, we have negative 7 squared. That's negative 7 times negative 7. That's positive 49. Minus 4 times 1 is 4. Times 12 is 48. All over 2 times 1 is 2. All right, let's continue to simplify. X equals 7 plus or minus, well, the square root, 49 minus 48, well, that's 1. All over 2. All right, equals 7 plus or minus the square root of 1 is 1 over 2. So now this becomes 2 answers. Okay? 7 plus 1 over 2 is 8 over 2, which is 4. And then the other one will be 7 minus 1 over 2, which is 3. So your answers are 4 and 3.